What's up? This is Richie and Jamie from the Where We Wild YouTube channel, and for the past few months we have been personally designing our own line of merch for you guys, and we are super stoked to announce that it is up and ready to go on wherewewild.com. We're so excited.
Exciting.
Really cool. You'll find basic stuff like just with our logo, like this hat. It's all embroidered, came out really nice. T-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, all that type of stuff. And then we decided to make it a little bit more fun and a little bit more special, and we designed a fishing line and a camping line, and they all have specific designs in each one. I'm rocking one from the fishing collection right here. It's called the Wild Bass.
That's awesome.
Kind of looks like me, I'm not gonna lie. Shades, hat, kind of cool. Jamie's rocking one from our home lake, Castaic Lake, where we caught our PBs.
Yeah.
You just caught yours.
I did.
Pretty awesome. But yeah, we got a camping line too, some really fun designs for you to check out, and we hope you like them as much as we do.
We're so excited. We've been testing these products for
Months.
The shirts are so soft. The cotton is so soft. It's so nice.
And that was a really big deal to us. I'm a t-shirt guy. I don't know if you guys have ever had that shirt where it's like that thick, heavy, stiff, gross feeling cotton. I could not deal with that. So we made sure to find some really good quality shirts. They're super soft, good stretch. I'm really happy with them.
And they wash really well.
Yeah, that's
all
important.
of this stuff does. So yeah, we're really excited.
Yeah, it should be fun, man. So it's a really cool way to support the channel, and we really, really appreciate it. And if you do end up grabbing one of these shirts or a hat or whatever, take a picture of yourself, post it on Instagram, tag us at Where We Wild. We'll put you in our story.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate all the support, and we hope you guys have fun with this stuff. First batch of designs.
So many more coming soon. We've already got some
in the works.
Yeah,
it takes time. It takes time. You'd be surprised, you know, but we wanted to take our time with it and stuff, make sure everything's cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and it's all going to be print on demand, so when you make an order, they're going to make it just for you. It's going to come in a few days. They have a great customer service. You know, that company's been good. I think I had one issue where I wasn't happy with the quality of the placement or something, 2 seconds, and they were like, so sorry, sent out a new one. Really cool. That was important to us too.
Absolutely.
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoy this stuff. We've been rocking it. We're gonna keep coming up with new designs, new content, and we hope you enjoy everything as much as we enjoy making it for you. So thanks again so much. Yeah, check it out.
Wherewewild.com.
Pretty cool. I'm stoked.
Me too.
Let us know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching as always, and we'll see you on the next video. Later. If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching. See ya.